Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Sine, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler.
Up all night, boy, and you don't know what love is. If you took her to call a million times, and you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh.
This just came in today, so we are going to be testing it out. And excuse the way I am talking, I just got my wisdom tooth taken out like 2 days ago on Thursday. Today's Saturday, and I'm currently still healing, so I'm gonna try not to talk too much because I still have stitches and it's a little swollen. So if you hear like a lisp or anything, I apologize for that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and wash my hair, and then we're gonna continue the rest of the video. Took a shower. My hair is in these clips, and here is the blow dryer. I opted for the pink one because they had a $12 off coupon, and the black one wasn't even in stock, so I was like, I might as well just get this. It's cheaper and I don't have to wait. This is what the blow dryer looks like. It's like a real paddle brush. I thought it was gonna be stiff, and then I was watching a review video and they pointed out that it was squishy like a paddle brush, so I thought that was pretty cool. You have off, cool, low, and high. I wish there was a medium setting, but because a lot of people says this does get very hot. So hopefully on cool it's fine, because I'm not trying to keep damaging my hair. Start off with this back section. It is still wet. This is what it's looking like fresh out of the shower with no product. We're going to be using liquid heat protectant and cream heat protectant. I'm going to use this thermal shade. It goes up to 425 degrees. I did another trim because my ends felt really weird. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get rid of them. I didn't even give them a chance. Thermal shield heat protectant. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Lotta Body. It's a 5-in-1 leave-in treatment, but it can be used as a heat protectant, it says. Focus. Okay, there we go. Right there. Now I'm gonna start with the cool setting. Okay, so off the bat, I am loving it. Y'all see how even my trim is, low-key? Kind of, sorta. There we go. Let me turn the exposure up a little bit. There we go. There we go. But y'all see how even my trim looks? Off the bat, I'm loving it. This is how I always wanted my blowouts to be. Like this, already detangled and everything. Like, wow. Off the bat, I'm loving it. So far, like, I'm loving it. Hopefully I have seen some complaints about the heat setting, so hopefully cool stays this cool, because it's like a warm, like it's not cold, it's like cool. So hopefully it stays like that, but off the bat I'm loving it. But yeah, so now we're just gonna move on to the next section. Okay guys, so I'm done blow drying my hair. As you guys can see, it's very full and still quite fluffy. So what is my final rating for this blow dryer brush? I would have to give it 8 out of 10. It lost 1 point for the sound and 1 point for the heat. I might even say 2 points for the heat, so maybe a 7 out of 10, because I tried to do it on low and it went through my hair at the top, and then I started smelling like burning, and I was like, oh no. So I'm just gonna stick to cool. It does make it easier, and I don't feel like I finished it faster, but at the same time I do. I did get more of a stretch though, which I am pleased about, but I feel like I would only do this if I'm getting ready to do a protective style real quick. So far it's okay, like it's not horrible. I'd probably use it again, but I would just have to figure out the whole sound situation, because as you guys can see in some parts of the video, I was holding my ear while blow drying it because the sound was just a lot. And it's not even the air sound, it was just the sound of it. It was like, it sounded like a vacuum cleaner, like up to your ear. Someone on the Amazon rating said it sounded like the blow dryer you use when you blow dry your hands. So take that how you will, but so far it's not that bad, and my hair looks a lot more stretched. It might be in the camera, but it looks a lot fuller. I don't know if it's due to the trim I did or the blow dry itself. It did look quite thin. Well, it did look how it usually looked at the ends, but in the beginning I really liked it because it wasn't like my roots were thick and then the ends were straightened. It was just like everything was straight. So I really liked it in the back. It was a 10 for the back, but as I started to get up in the front, it started losing points. But it's so far so good. It's not bad at all. I would just have to figure out the whole sound situation. Maybe I have to put AirPods in my ear when I'm blow drying my hair, or earplugs or something, but I feel like you shouldn't have to do that when you use the blow dryer. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.